Now, you may recall that snowstorm we had a few weeks ago, stranding motorists on Interstate 90 for more than 15 hours. Thankfully, today's snowstorm did not have the same results, but was this due to less snow falling, or did the Montana Department of Transportation make improvements? Our Cassidy Power spoke with Ted Jones, the Bozeman Division Maintenance Chief for the Department of Transportation, about what crews did differently this time to prevent another backup on Bozeman Pass.
We had our more senior supervisors come out and help direct those maintenance technicians that were out that maybe don't have as much experience in dealing with those types of situations. We had more experienced personnel out this time to kind of call the shots for them, and I think that was a huge improvement.
Now, Jones says the Montana Department of Transportation also tried to get the message out about the upcoming storm, road conditions, and closures by regularly updating its Facebook page.
You know, we had so many complaints about the way we communicated with the public, so we're trying to be a little bit more proactive with getting messages out, and you know, I'll take responsibility for a lot of that. So I'll try to, you know, get those updates out to the appropriate people to get out.
Jones also says the Montana Department of Transportation continues to learn from these incidents and is actively making improvements to better serve the community.